Afternoon to all of you and respected sir. Today we are here for a play, and our play topic is global warming, and also we are going to aware people about the global warming. Means in this problem, what sort of things we don't have to do and what sort of things we have to do. So let's see start. It's very delicious. Yes.
Hey, why are you throwing that garbage here?
Why is it just a garbage?
Don't you know how much it harms our environment?
It is only little bit.
Because of this little bit, it happens very big in future.
Nothing happens.
Pick it up. Pick it up. No, go from here.
Go.
How dare you to push me? Pick it up, Asha.
It's not pick up.
Put it. Pick it up.
Go from here.
Pick it up. I am telling you other. Otherwise, I will eat you.
Go from here, otherwise we will kill you.
Okay, I am going from here.
We saw that the personality of both guys are too much. Means they are doing pollution in an environment. They don't know what sort of things they will face in future. So after 2 years, many changes came in both bodies, and let's see what sort of personality of those guys in present scenario.
After a long time we met them and asked for them, but they do. Now let's see what happens.
Hello.
Hello Lokesh. After a long time. So what are you doing nowadays?
Nowadays I have joined one association, and it is very nice association in which we plant more and more trees, and its name is Eco Tree Plantation, and it's a very nice association. You can also join it, and I have been working there for 1.5 years, and it is very nice because we do more and more trees so that our environment will not be.
So it is good for our environment.
But it's very nice.
You also doing
Yes, sir.
associations.
Yes, sir, I have joined.
Means before you are doing lots of pollution. Now I saw you in many videos that you are planting trees as well as you are helping those poor viewers which are not able to eat anything, and they are struggling for their bread and butter.
Yes.
And what sort of associations you have joined, means how you help them, and what sort of changes you made in our environment.
I have joined one association. The name of the association is Green India Mission. It is one of the 8th mission of land.
And from how many years you are working on it?
I have been working on it 1.5 years.
And where is that association?
The Uttarakhand environment.
So it is also good for our environment.
Yes.
Now I am going to explain you that how the global warming happens in our Earth. So let's start. I have made some diagrams here. You can see. You can imagine it is a poly house, and by that I am going to explain you how the global warming increasing in our environment. Firstly, I am going to tell this is the Earth. We have 5 layers in our surrounding of our Earth, which cover our Earth, and the first, which is in the first that layer was stratosphere, and where the ozone layer is situated, that was second stratosphere, then mesosphere, thermosphere, then exosphere. Exosphere is the outermost layer which covers our Earth. So here means we can see here in the poly houses the greenhouse effect happens. Means you also know that in the daytime when sunlight is there, the plants release CO2. They inhale CO2 and they exhale oxygen. At that time, in the daytime, it is fully covered, and almost every single CO2 molecule is absorbed by the plants which is planted inside the poly house, and at that time the heat is trapped by the all CO2, which helps in the process of photosynthesis. That same thing happens in our Earth. Means when the sunlight come in our Earth, it surrounded everything. Means the few gases which trap heat, that gases name was CO2, water vapor, methane. Those gases trap the heat and makes our environment cool, which is also known as a greenhouse effect, which led to the scarcity of water in few upcoming years, and many health problems like deforestation. The temperature is rising day by day, which as a deforestation, the fire is in the whole forest, as you heard so many news in Uttarakhand also. Few weeks ago in Nainital district means
पृथ्वी पर बढ़ता तापमान
हिम नदी को पिघलाता है,
बारिश का संतुलन बिगाड़ता है।
जीवन में खतरा बढ़ाता है।
हमें जागना होगा,
हमें जगाना होगा।
हमें अपनी पृथ्वी को बचाना होगा।
जय
स्वच्छ
भारत।
भारत हमारा भारत हमारी पहचान है।